Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Radian Hermansyah. In this assignment, I want to explanation from the video with the topic Debunking COVID Vaccines Myths. Okay, myth number 1. The vaccines contains microchips for government tracking. The government can do anything. So far, anybody imagine that it can carry out this mass scale of tracking putting in high-tech microchip in vaccines? It doesn't happen. Next is myth number 2. COVID vaccines cause infertility and miscarriage. There is no interactions between the vaccines and the protein. COVID vaccines does not cause infertility. It does not put people at a higher risk of miscarriage. Next is myth 3. The vaccines can alter your DNA. Vaccine has DNA, but the DNA gets transcribed into meaning it gets converted into RNA, which is then converted into protein, but DNA is also incorporated into DNA of yourself. Location of the DNA is different from the destination of the vaccines. Next is myth number 4. COVID vaccines contains fatal issues. The vaccines itself does not have any fatal cells or any cells lines or aborted fetus in it. Next is myth 5. The vaccines are risky because they were developed too quickly. None of the safety steps were skipped. Testing did all of the required animal testing and anything to make sure that the vaccines are safe as possible. Basically, every single lab in the world starting putting all their resources, money, and energy toward developing a vaccine for the COVID. Myth number 6. The vaccines actually give you COVID. Thinking that you got the actual disease from the vaccines, it's impossible to get full virus or the full disease from just one ingredient. All is you're getting is that little teeny piece mRNA or DNA to make spike protein and COVID virus injected into your body. There's no way that could actually happen. Next is myth number 7. Kids don't need the vaccines. Kids are part of transmission chains. Not only is about protecting kids from a non-zero risk, but also helping reduce transmission. Myth 8. The vaccines don't work. You can still get COVID after vaccination. That in life, we don't get a zero risk, but doesn't mean you don't try to reduce risk with the vaccine. You can greatly reduce risk. It was almost bonus that vaccines were also found to reduce infection as well significantly. I'm Radian Hermansyah. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.